Hey y'all, and welcome to the video. In just a few moments we're going to be taking a tour of a model home built by Centex Home, and this one is located in the hills at Cielo Ranch up in Boerne, Texas. But before we get to that, my name is Brock.Bremmer and I am your San Antonio Realtor. Thank you so much today for stopping by, and if this is your first time, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I post a video in the future. Now, a little bit more about this neighborhood. It is located in Boerne, Texas, which is on the northwest side of San Antonio. This neighborhood specifically is about 10 minutes away from downtown Boerne, and it's located in the Boerne Independent School District. So there are some great schools here for you if you have a family. Additionally, this neighborhood is located just a couple of minutes from the highway, so easy access to get to and from San Antonio should you have a job in San Antonio city limits. About 15 minutes away is La Cantera, which is one of the major shopping centers here in San Antonio, and it has lots of food, restaurants, and shopping for you. So you're not very far from anything, and you have all kinds of entertainment and fun activities nearby. If you have any questions or comments along the way, please feel free to drop them down below or send me an email, and I would be happy to answer any questions that you have. So without further ado, let's go check out the home. Alrighty y'all, welcome to the Mesilla by Centex Homes. This wonderful two-story home has 2,601 square feet of living space, options for 4 or 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and includes a study/office area, a loft upstairs, and a guest bedroom downstairs. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Wow, that was an incredible home. I hope that you liked the house, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and like the video so that I know that you liked it. Otherwise, go ahead and drop your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. I'd love to hear what you thought about this home. There's many model homes here in San Antonio and the surrounding area, and this one happens to be in Boerne. So if you're looking to purchase a home, whether it's this one that we saw today together or any of the other homes in San Antonio, feel free to reach out. I can help you purchase any home in the area. So I'd love to be of service to you and help guide you through the process of purchasing a home and make it as smooth and seamless as possible. If you're also having a house that you need to get sold, I can help with that as well. So feel free to reach out. My contact information is down below, and I'll pin it here in the video as well. So please feel free to reach out at any time. I'm here to be of service to you. And I'm filming this here in March of 2022. It's going to be an incredible year. It's going to be a busy one as well. Interest rates are rising on the home loans and everything else as well. Inventory is still pretty low, so let me help guide you through the process of finding a home that suits you and your family needs. I'm here again to be of service to you. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I will be posting more model home tours and more information about San Antonio in the future, and I will see you in the next video.